Hey, how's it going? My name's Jen. I'm a product photographer turned Amazon seller. I'm super excited to share this video with you today on what the heck private label on Amazon is. A lot of people ask me this question. Maybe they've tried other methods like drop shipping, and now they want to know, can I try private label on Amazon? So I'm going to give you the whole breakdown in this video, so stay tuned. So first things first, what is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA is basically a way for you to send your products to Amazon, and FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. So they are going to be the ones to essentially fulfill that product sale. They're going to help you get the sale, they're going to ship it, they're going to manage the inventory, they're going to manage returns, all of those things. Amazon FBA is just basically the program in which you can send products into Amazon and have them do all of the management for you. Now, the second question is, what is private label? And private label is essentially where you find a product, and it can be something you source in the US, you can source it overseas in some place like China, and then you can ask them to actually add a label to it that has your brand name on it. This can be a product that's already in existence, or it could be a product that you customize based on products that are already available. For example, if you want to develop a hairspray, you could find a supplier in China that has a hairspray. You could tweak the formula to your desired needs, put your brand name on it, and then have them ship that product over to Amazon for you so you can sell it under your brand name. You might be wondering why someone would want to do private label versus wholesale or arbitrage. And the benefit of doing private label is you can actually build a brand that you could exit one day. So for me, I want to build a brand that I know one day someone will pay me $1 million, $2 million, $3 million for. And the only way to build up a brand like that is to create a private label brand. So this is why private label brands are so valuable, because once you get a customer base and you have customers who love your product and come back time and time again for whatever you sell them, that becomes very valuable for investors. If you're going to look at doing something like wholesale or arbitrage, you are constantly going to have to keep replenishing that product, and it's never going to get to a place where your business could be exitable. I would recommend choosing private label because it is highly scalable. You can continue to add products to your product portfolio, and once you have a customer base, they will come back and buy more of your products. The possibilities with private label are really endless. So in order to first start out doing private label for Amazon, you are going to want to spend some time doing product research. So if you're going to list any sort of product on Amazon, you do want to make sure that there's demand for it. If you're thinking about launching a product and you realize there's only about 1,000 people searching for that product every month, this might not be a great product to launch, especially if it's a product that you have to educate people on why they need it. If it's something that people aren't already looking for, it's not a good product to start on Amazon. What I recommend doing is spend some time looking at products that you like, that you enjoy, that you already use in your home, and look to see what kind of search volumes there are for that, and then look to see what the competition looks like. And then once you've narrowed in on a product or a type of product that you're thinking about wanting to launch, then you can head over to Alibaba and start seeing if there's any suppliers of that product. You're going to want to find a reliable supplier, someone that you can communicate really well with, that has high quality products. And the only way to really find this out is to order some samples and see how your communication is with them. See if they will go on video with you and show you the product. See how quickly the product comes to you. Check to see how the quality of the product is. You want to go through all these steps before launching a product to ensure that this is the highest quality product possible so you can charge high quality prices. Now, while you are negotiating and ordering samples and waiting for things to come in the mail, this is a great time to develop your branding. Because you're going to do a private label brand, you're going to want to have an actual brand name that you come up with. You're going to want to have a logo and a color palette and really like a look and a feel. And you want to really know who your ideal customer is as well. So it's important to define who this is as you're developing your brand. You want to get your logo put on the product, and you want to develop packaging that has your logo and your colors and the look and the feel that you're going for. Once you've come up with your brand name, you can also get that brand name trademarked. This is going to open up so many features on Amazon that are going to help when you go to sell this product. So it's very important to get your brand name trademarked. So now you have created your product listing, you have ordered an inventory order that has your brand name on it, is your private label product. You are going to have that shipped to the warehouse. Once it arrives, Amazon is going to check that inventory in and let you know now it is available to sell. So you can set your price and you can start to actually market your product. Now you've got to do some of the lifting and get this product's momentum up. So the best way to do this at the beginning is to start with pay-per-click campaigns. So you're gonna wanna pay to basically get your product in front of your potential customers. You're gonna do this by using the key terms or the keywords that people are searching on Amazon for your product. And this is gonna help get you eventually to the first page on Amazon so that when people search for your product just pops up organically. And this is what we want. We want people to buy your product without you having to pay for the click. One of the things to note when it comes to private label on Amazon FBA is you do have to keep an eye on your inventory, and you always have to be thinking ahead to place your next inventory order. It's important to keep track of how many sales you're doing a day, how much you are spending in PPC, and how quickly this product is flying off of the shelf, because you will probably need to place another order very soon. Having a private label brand is so exciting because you can actually build a whole brand around this, and at some point you can sell this product on a Shopify or some other website. If you are considering starting a private label brand, congratulations, and be sure to check out all of my free resources in the description below. I want you to be as successful as possible with this, and so be sure to check those out and download those. Like this video, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Otherwise, we will see you on the next one.